Everyone, in this video we're gonna introduce the foundation theory of the calculus. So I want to make this really simple, right? So suppose f is continuous on a and b, and then we have the first part, f gx equal to fax, ft equal to dt, then g dot x equal to fx, and then in part 2 it's like fab fx equal to fx dx equal to fb minus fa, where f is any antiderivative of f. That's it. F dot equal to f. So those are this is the foundation theory of the calculus. And then I'm gonna show you guys one example about how to apply the first part. In this example, we can see gx equal to f1x, 1 equal to t to the power 3 plus 1 dt. So we're gonna find the derivative of the function. So make sure there are some difference when you apply the first part. When you apply the first part, you need to know you have something x and some number, and ft equal to dt, and then you see here g dot x equal to fx, and fx is the same thing here. So you don't need to change it. You don't need to do any operation. The only thing you have to do is you're gonna replace t with x, right? So you can see here we have gx equal to this, right? So in order to find the derivative of the function, so you just basically copy this part down, and then you're gonna replace t with x. Yeah, and on the second one, I'm gonna show you guys. There's another example. I'm gonna show you guys another example about how to apply the second part. And keep in mind, alright? So in order to apply the second part, you need to make sure you have two numbers. A and B are both number. And the difference between part A and part B is here we have something x, and we only need one number. And then here we need both of them. A and B is gonna be some number. Yeah. So how to apply it is now in this example we have f2 minus 1, x to the power 3 minus 2x dx, and then we're gonna evaluate the integral. Yeah, and then how to do it is remember when we're doing the integration, we always thinking about the backwards. Alright, we always thinking about the backwards. So here you see the integration of the x to the power 3 is going to be this, and one way to evaluate it is we're going to apply the derivative of this one. So how to apply the derivative is we just simply moving 4 to the other side. So it's going to be 4 multiply 1 over 4, it's going to be 1, and then after that we're gonna minus it. So it's 4 minus 1, and so the derivative is going to be x to the power 3. That's what I mean about the backwards. That's how to check it. So here we have 2x. So how do you find the integration of this one? So you're gonna moving backwards. So you see, and here so it's gonna be x to the power 2. So in order to make sure this is gonna be the integration of this one, again we're gonna apply the derivative of this one. So you can see we're moving 2 on the other side, so it's gonna be 2, and then after that 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's gonna be 2x. So it's the same thing. So that means we are right. That's the way how you make sure your integration is perfect. I mean your integration is you get the right result. You get the right result. Alright. So after that we have 2 and minus 1. Alright. We're done the integration. So everything right now we have to do is you're gonna plug in the number. Alright. So and here we got this. We got this part. So 1 over 4. We plug in number, right? So 2, and then 1 over 4 and 2 to the power 4, and then minus 2 to the power 2, and on the side, so we're gonna minus it. So minus 1, right? So here minus 1 to the power 4 is 1, right? And then minus 1 to the power 2 is also 1, right? And then after that we have this. So we have 1 over 4. You're gonna do something simplify here. 2 to the power 4 is 16, and then 2 to the power 2 is 4, and then after that So negative. So this part is the same thing, right? So 1 over 4, the same thing, right? And then minus 1. And then after that, we haven't get the result yet. So I'm gonna doing those steps. So 1 over 4 multiplied by 16 is gonna be 4. And then we minus another 4. And this part is still the same thing. So minus 4 cancel it, right? And then negative 1 over 4 is gonna be negative 1 over 4, and then it's gonna be plus 1, right? So the final result is gonna be 3 to the power 3 over 4, right? Yeah. So thanks you guys being watching this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel and like the video. Feel free to leave a comment. Yeah. So I'm gonna open I think I'm gonna open an email account. So I'm gonna open an email, right? So if you guys have any question on calculus 2, just send me all the question to that mail. Alright? Yeah, I would like to help you guys, to get, to understand more. And feel free to just, if you have any question, then leave a comment below the video. Alright? Yeah. Alright? So see you guys on the next video.